Hi, how are you? Good to see you. Welcome. Nice to be here. Good to see you again.
I'm happy to meet you.
How are you? Good to see you again. It's a pleasure to see you. I'm Robbie.
Okay.
How are you?
Oh, fine.
Good. Good to meet you.
Okay.
Are you an uncle?
Yes.
The other team, here is my mom, here is my dad. So here is our home, my parents' house, my house, and my brother's house.
Hey. Looks great.
So
This is your mom's?
I made this for her.
Oh, you made it.
This was made during the last training. That is in what is March? Yeah. So this was made in March.
Wow, looks
Yeah.
good.
You only have 2 to 3 elements now. So this is lemongrass for pest control. This is pineapple. This is indigenous vegetable, the spider. There's kumawiki, the kale. There's also this okra.
Oh, okra. Oh, I love
Yes,
okra.
I have okra there. Line.
Nice.
Then
Few pineapples.
pineapples. Yeah.
Nice.
So that is what we have here. The same system as what we have at Wilberforce Place. So my mom will be harvesting from here to the kitchen.
Oh, this is
Yeah.
great.
Already
Yeah, it
they
looks really good.
They have thinned some of this vegetable. They were a lot. Last time when you came, I was having those beds, so I started to extend to have some more vegetables.
All right.
Yeah, so I have a nursery of kales here which I will transplant to the other part. Yeah, and also the paipai are coming up.
Yeah, great.
But I've also integrated with some indigenous vegetables. These are this is cucumber.
Oh, yummy.
Yeah, those are gitmalo. Here we have the slender leaf. So all are integrated. So this is what I have here. This other part, these were originally having vegetables, but I left it so that the seeds that fall can just germinate by itself. So those are seeds, a lot of vegetables. These are vegetables. They are all here. So I just
Germinated by
need to-
themselves.
Yes. Just added the line of bananas to utilize that water which is being accumulated on the trenches as we go.
Right.
So you have added bananas this year.
Yeah, I have added banana this year on the
Okay.
trenches.
Yeah,
And there's also some sugar cane.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can see them.
So you've been mobilizing the place slowly to
Good.
Yeah.
intensification.
Yeah. Welcome to our main demonstration farm. Now,
Yes, I know.
Right.
We were out here. We had some pictures out here before, right?
Yes, now
look at that. There is where we have the name of the organization. The project is Regenerative Agriculture for Community Empowerment in short race. So here is where we have our demonstration farm, a syntropic one. Syntropic, where we have 3 lines from the other side. You can start from the other side. So that side we have a tree line, we have a grass line, and we have our vegetable line where we are having the pineapples, and the next one we also have another tree line. So that is, we have been transitioning from Napier. We realized that Napier is a heavy feeder on our system, so we are removing Napier and replacing them with this is called lemongrass. So we are replacing Napier with lemongrass because we realized that Napier is a heavy feeder and most of the crops which are around them are not doing good. So because our farm is the teacher, we are trying to replace that. So originally there were lines of Napier which I removed this year. I'm also adding, so last year we had a serious drought, and we lost some of our trees, but we maintain what remains, and we are also adding some. So that is why you can see some are dry, like this. That was a fruit which died last time. We are covering around our trees with all these materials, the organic matter. Yeah. So that is what we have here.
Ah, it's looking good.
Yeah.
Looks really good.
People were coming for Napier. This Napier, they are edges, but also they are beneficial. Like this edge, I harvested to somebody from the other end of the other hill there. He came, he needed some Napier because there was a lot of drought and they have cattle which need. So for us, we had Napier. I have planted it all around the edges, even on the other side. So Napier has been good, but we realized that when it is on the farm, it's also an heavy eater, so that's why we are taking it away from the farm and putting it on the edges.
From inside the farm.
Yeah.